Today's CFOs have a broader scope than ever before, and managing the complexity of the role is a huge challenge. They have to navigate a minefield of market volatility, manage risk, ensure long-term goals are being met on top of dealing with an onslaught of big data. And with financial information often residing in various silos, it can be difficult getting this real-time analysis presentable to obtain a complete view of the company's financial health. It's time to shed light on your data with Limelight. Limelight is a unified platform helping companies enhance how they automate and collect data by centralizing all financial planning processes. This fresh, modern, and simple front-end approach doesn't replace your database, but works with it by supporting Excel formulas to increase budgeting and forecasting solutions. Limelight has analytical and reporting applications to help with revenue planning, sales forecasting, and creating reports. Simply put, Limelight helps you increase your top line while protecting the bottom one. Ask us for a demo.